Hi everyone! The technicians at this appliance repair shop, which is well known for their experience, shared these tips with us. So pay close attention because we're going to fix this issue. Basically, when your KitchenAid range shows the F9E0 error, it's alerting you to a problem with the control board or communication between electronic modules, and as a safety measure, it can prevent the oven or burners from operating properly. Some clients tell us, I turned on the oven and suddenly F9E0 appeared and it wouldn't heat at all, while others say, I tried restarting it several times but the error kept coming back. This makes it clear that the system detected a fault and shut down to protect itself before any serious damage occurred. At the same time, many clients notice that before the error appears, the range behaves oddly. Indicators blink, the display shows strange codes, or some electric burners don't respond. One client said, one burner would turn on, but the oven didn't respond, and then F9E0 appeared. This confirms that the problem is directly related to the control board or communication between modules. From a technical perspective, the F9E0 code is usually linked to the main control board, power modules, or communication faults between them, which regulate the operation of the oven and burners. One technician told me, if the board doesn't receive correct signals or there's interference between modules, the system shuts down and shows F9E0 to protect the components. Even KitchenAid acknowledges in their bulletins that this error can appear if a module is defective or if wires are loose. There are also simpler situations that can cause the same problem. Many times, clients bring in their range and we find loose wires, corroded connectors, or dirt accumulated in the modules, which cause incorrect readings and trigger the code. Checking and securing these connections usually fixes the issue quickly, and clients are often surprised at how easy it was. Sometimes the F9E0 error occurs because a module or the control board is damaged. In the shop, we've seen that replacing the defective module or securing the connectors restores the range to normal. One client said, I thought it was broken, but we checked the wires and replaced a module, and it worked perfectly again, showing that you often don't need to replace the entire range. Meanwhile, we also recommend checking the power supply and grounding, because if there are fluctuations, interference, or brief outages, the system can lock up and display the F9E0 code. Some clients say, it kept shutting off and then F9E0 appeared until we checked the electrical installation, and fixing the setup usually prevents the code from coming back.